Good morning, good afternoon, digital multimedia 1, 2. I can't remember if I already let you guys know that I wasn't going to be in or if this is the first time seeing this, but regardless, you're watching the video, you know what's going on. I'm out for the day, and I will return to class Monday. We are very quickly counting down the last few days of 2019. We have, I think, maybe 10 school days, if my math is correct, before Christmas break, which is awesome. But for you, what's a little bit more concerning here is today marks the fifth day, fifth day that you've been working on this social media advertisement project, which means you literally have today, Monday, and Tuesday of next week, and then it is due December 11th, which is a half day for us next Wednesday. I want to make sure that you guys are utilizing the class to the best of your ability, but with me not being in class, you're not going to be able to bounce ideas off of me or anything like that. So a couple of little things that I want to make sure that you guys are aware of. Double check the requirements for this project. Don't just skim through them. Make sure that your project has every little thing there. Also, because this is going to be our second print project, make sure that you are fully aware that you will be submitting two different files. On one hand, you're going to be submitting the Photoshop document, the PSD file, so that I can click through the layers and see what types of things you did or didn't do, or where something might have gotten screwed up and still give you credit for it. And on the other hand, you're going to be shipping me the JPEG layer so that I can print it out on our poster printer over here. Without giving me one or the other, it's going to be really hard to secure 100% on this project because I won't be able to do one or two of the tasks in regards to assessing or grading your guys' work. Utilize the class period to the best of your guys' ability. Don't spend this time going around playing games on the computers or listening to music. I mean, while I don't mind if you guys want to listen to music, make sure you guys are working towards completion on those 4 objectives or requirements on this project, and make sure you secure a good 100 points on this assignment. So that when we get back from Christmas break, it's pretty much midterm project or bust for you guys, all right? I'm going to sign off here and let you guys utilize the rest of the hour. Please do me a favor and remember to try to get the laptops back and plugged in to the best of your guys' ability so that when you guys come in Monday, there aren't any dead batteries for anybody, okay? See you guys. Have a good weekend, and I wish you guys luck.